In today's video, I will show you how to set up anti-gravity for completely free. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, move to any browser and search for Google Antigravity. You can search for Windows or Mac. Just click on the link. To bring you to this interface, which is the Google Antigravity page. You can cross check it well. So now you can download for your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on download for Windows. As you see, it will start downloading. It will take few minutes because I will spin it up because I should not consume more time. Once it is done, just click on it. It will start installing quickly. As you see, as it finishes installing, it will open the Google Anti-Gravity page automatically. As you see, it is loading. But for you, it might bring you to a page for you to sign in before it login. Because I already signed in. That is why it's just bringing me to the interface directly. So go ahead and build your amazing project using Google Anti-Gravity.